Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the 5 most trending AI and machine learning papers of the week. And trust me, this lineup is packed with game changers. From models that introspect to swarm intelligence to futuristic GUI agents, there's so much to get excited about.
Oh, nice. I can't wait to unpack these, especially with how fast this field is evolving. But hey, introspection in LLMs? What's that all about?
Great question. So, this paper is called Introspection in LLMs, and it basically argues that large language models, or LLMs, might have the ability to introspect or look within themselves to uncover knowledge that isn't directly in their training data.
Wait, are you saying these models can sort of discover hidden insights on their own?
Exactly. Kind of like a person doing some soul searching and suddenly remembering something they didn't realize they knew. But here's the twist. Their introspective abilities have limits. When it comes to tasks that require complex reasoning, especially over long outputs, the model can't quite keep up.
Ah, so they're insightful, but not perfect sages yet. Okay, I'm intrigued. What's next?
Next, we've got Janus. Imagine a framework that handles both understanding and generating visuals with just one transformer model. That's Janus. This model decouples the visual encoding process, giving it independent pathways, which lets it tackle multiple tasks across the board.
That sounds super flexible. So, does it perform well compared to more specialized models?
Absolutely. In fact, Janus not only improves flexibility, but also matches and sometimes even surpasses task-specific models. Think of it as an all-rounder in the world of visual AI.
I love that it's like the Swiss Army knife of AI models. Okay, what's next on the lineup?
Now, here's where it gets wild. Model swarms. This paper proposes a new way of adapting LLMs using swarm intelligence. Picture a group of AI experts working together, kind of like bees in a hive, to optimize various goals.
Whoa, so they're collaborating? That sounds like it could open up so many possibilities.
Right? The swarm can adapt to all kinds of tasks, from single ones to multitask scenarios, and even human-centered goals. The results are impressive, outperforming 12 different baseline methods by up to 21%. This swarm is seriously flexible.
Okay, that's just amazing. And you know I'm going to have a million follow-up questions later. What's after model swarms?
Glad you asked. Fourth up, we have Agent S. This is an open agentic framework that lets AI autonomously interact with a computer's GUI. Imagine an AI that can plan and execute tasks on a computer just by seeing the screen, using hierarchical planning and search abilities.
Wait, so it's like the AI has its own computer workstation and can do its thing?
Exactly. It uses experience-augmented planning to make it better at interacting with graphical interfaces. Plus, it even set a new state-of-the-art success rate on the OS World benchmark.
That's just so futuristic. I feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie.
It does feel like that. And now, last but certainly not least, Thinking LLMs. This paper is all about teaching LLMs to think, and not in the usual way. Instead of supervised data, they use an iterative optimization process to teach the model to generate and evaluate its own thoughts.
So, it's learning to think independently? That's intense. What does that mean for its performance?
It means huge improvements in instruction following and reasoning. This technique is outperforming benchmarks like Alpaca Eval and Arena Hard, all without direct human input during training.
All right, I'm sold. That's a powerful concept. But you mentioned there are some other notable papers too.
Yep, here's a quick lightning round on some runner-ups this week. CoTracker 3, new tracking model that can use real, unannotated videos with pseudo-labels for training. OpenAI's O1 models, showing strengths in self-evaluation but struggling with spatial decision-making. Model kinship for merging LLMs, a merging strategy based on similarity metrics. Inference scaling for long context RAG, providing scaling laws for long context LLM applications. And finally, first-person fairness in chatbots, tackling biases in AI interactions.
This is gold. I mean, every single one of these feels like a glimpse into the future. Thanks for breaking it down like this.
Absolutely. And for everyone watching, if you're as excited as we are about these groundbreaking AI advancements, make sure you're subscribed. We'll be back with more groundbreaking papers next week.
Catch you next time.